Hi, this is a quick screencast. I am currently, I've got about 50 websites that are, the only way I can access them is via WHM. And so this is, so once I've transferred the files from where they are to SiteGround, and then I want to point the DNS over to SiteGround. It's going to, from what I understand, as long as I change don't worry about that one. As long as I change the NS1, NS2 name servers and the IP address for the domain, all of these other things are going to get done automatically when it comes onto the SiteGround DNS zone. The email is the concern for me. So here I've got an MX record, and it's a third-party email provider, this secure ISS. So I want to keep that intact. So the 10, the 20, and the 40, those ones there. This one here, and I think this text record here is what is required. I don't know about this DKIM. There's one there and there's one there. I'm thinking that might be MailChimp, MC. So I don't know if I need those or not, but I do need mail. So I'm looking at in here, so I've set the website up. It hasn't been pointed to here yet. The files are all there, and this is the DNS zone. So my question is, can I add those records for CloudX, Secure ISS? Can I add those into here before I move the domain or point the domain this way, and then they're ready to go and they won't get overwritten so that it's seamless? That's my question. So I know that like there's MX records here, the 10, the 20, the 30. But if I add more MX records below, or maybe I need to delete these ones and then add my own, but then it'll get overwritten. So that's kind of where I'm at. Can I add them in advance down the bottom in addition to these? So these ones might get overwritten, but the new ones that I create won't, and then the email won't go down at all when it finally propagates over. That's my question. So over to you. Cheers. Thanks.